Claude Moore. Moore was raised on a farm near Cullman, Alabama, and knew from an early age that he wanted to work with poultry. With guidance from his vocational agriculture teacher and a $50 scholarship from Sears Roebuck and Company, Moore graduated from Alabama Polytechnic Institute in 1947. Moore went on to earn a master's degree from Kansas State University and a Ph.D. from Purdue University. He returned to Auburn in 1956 as an associate professor in poultry science. In 1959, Moore was promoted to department head, a position he served for 27 years before becoming the College of Agriculture's interim dean for research. Moore, a geneticist, was a leader in the developing Alabama poultry industry of the 1980s. Listening to industry needs and applying research to those needs was a significant accomplishment of his. Moore hired competent and qualified departmental faculty and staff who have continued to make strides in growing the poultry industry. The modern poultry research farm on the south side of campus was also constructed under Moore's tenure in the 1970s. Moore believed in and successfully grew an industry and department fueled by team efforts. Throughout his life, Moore was a people person who genuinely cared about those he taught, mentored, and with whom he interacted. During Moore's later years as department head, he returned to the classroom and taught Introduction to Poultry Science. Moore was also instrumental in bringing international students to Auburn's College of Agriculture. In 1980, Moore was elected president of the Poultry Science Association and International Association for Poultry Scientists, and was only the second Auburn faculty member to hold the distinguished office. Moore retired from Auburn in 1989 and was inducted into the Alabama Poultry Hall of Fame in 1998. After his retirement, Moore continued his involvement with the Alpha Gamma Rho fraternity, Auburn First Baptist Church, and attended many football and women's basketball games. Moore died in 2008. He and his wife, Mary Virginia, had 5 children: Mary Ann, Elizabeth, David, Bill, and Ginger, 13 grandchildren, and 1 great-grandchild.